Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Doo Gro. Today I'm doing a first impression review of their Mega Thick line. So I'm starting off on dry natural hair. I'm just going to get ready, wet my hair, and the first thing I'm using is the Mega Thick shampoo. It comes out in a very thick consistency and it's a nice pretty blue color. So the shampoo is super thick. It smells like a Jolly Rancher, I don't know what flavor. It's super thick. I like this scent a lot. It smells so good. Let me make sure I get the back. Oh, look at that curl. So this is the Mega Thick Shampoo Volumizing Formula. Helps thicken and strengthen, repair weak and damaged hair, moisturizes and cleanses. It has shea oil, vitamins, and botanical thickeners, and it helps reduce breakage, allowing hair to grow longer. I like how thick it was when it first came out, and you see it's sudsing up, making a good amount of suds. I think I put too much on. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse it out with warm water and I'll tell you how it feels afterwards. Okay, so my hair is cleansed afterwards. My hair is cleansed but still soft. Still very soft. So now I'm gonna use the Mega Thick Intense Repair, a thickening mask treatment. This one is blue also. And it has that scent like the blue raspberry popsicle scent. I'm gonna work in the back first. So it's a deep treatment that helps rebuild with aloe vera, protein, and shea oil. It strengthens and repairs, promotes thick, strong, and healthy hair, and reduces breakage. Now, if you don't know, I usually don't detangle during the deep conditioning part of my wash day, but this mask really does have a nice consistency where you can detangle if you would like. It's really super thick, so you want to apply it to dripping wet hair. And once your hair is dripping wet, it's easy to spread throughout your hair. So I can spread it throughout my scalp, my strands. So once I smoothed the mask into my hair, my curls were just soaking up the mask. So if you have trouble with your hair soaking up the mask, you can cover it with a plastic cap or steam. Okay, so I'm done applying. Okay, so it says let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes for a deeper conditioning. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes with the plastic cap. So I'm going to rinse it out and let's see how it feels. So I rinsed it with warm water and my hair was definitely soft and a little defined afterwards. Alright y'all, so I'm doing a flat twist out. So I'm going to find my middle. I'm going to find the middle and then work from that point. So I think I'll put the middle here. Okay, so these parts won't be perfect because I'm using my finger. I don't like to use combs really. I try not to use them when I don't need them, and I don't need them while I'm doing this. Okay, so the battery's about to die. Okay, so this is the Mega Thick Hair Vitalizer, and it looks just like this. This one doesn't have a smell. Okay, and I'm probably gonna use just a little bit because a little goes a long way. Okay, my camera died, but this is the first twist. So I'm gonna do one more. So to flat twist, I just parted out a long section with my finger, sprayed the whole section down with water. Then I applied the hair revitalizer onto my roots on both sides and also on the strands and length of my hair, and also of course on my ends. And then I detangled the section in 2 parts. Then once I was done, I started twisting from the top. And then as I twist down, I'm just grabbing hair like from one side and bringing it into the twist so that I can flat twist it. And then once I'm at the end, I just continue the 2-strand twist it and then coil the ends around my finger. Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest and then come back. Okay, so I'm done with the flat twist. One of them I had to split because it was so big. Okay. So my hair is shiny. It feels soft. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. So it is the next day. My twists are 100% dry, and I'm actually excited because they're really stretchy and springy, and they're really soft and moisturized. So oh my goodness, look at that separation. It's so defined right now and shiny, and I just love how when I was taking out the flat twist, the definition just looked so nice, and none of it really looked fuzzy or frizzy. And it's day 2, I think, right now that I'm doing this voiceover, and my hair still looks really nice. It's still soft and still has this curl definition, almost like I did a wash and go, but of course this is the flat twist out. But it looks so nice. The hair vitalizer provides needed conditioning for strong, healthy, and shiny hair. Alright guys, this is the finished look. It's so pretty, very shiny. I do feel a little residue, but that was expected. I love that it's very defined. Doo Gro products are available online at howtobeautyworld.com and also in local beauty supply stores. Check out the description for the giveaway details. Thank you so much, Doo Gro, for sponsoring this video. Thumbs up this video. Check out more on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.